Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 25, Quranic Verses, Respecting the Rights of the Muslims and Having Compassion and Mercy for Them. Whoever venerates Allah's sanctities will find it to be the best for him in his Lord's sight. Surah Al-Hajj, chapter 22, verse 30. Whoever venerates the public symbols and rituals set up by Allah, such as Jumu'ah and Eid prayers, the call to the prayer, the sacrifice, and the rites of the pilgrimage, surely it is because of the true piety and the consciousness of Allah of their hearts. Surah Al-Hajj, chapter 22, verse 32. Lower your wings of compassion and protection for the believers. Surah Al-Hijr, chapter 15, verse 88. He who kills a soul, unless it be in legal punishment, for murder or for causing disorder and corruption on the earth, will be as if he had killed all humankind. And he who saves a life will be as if he had saved the lives of all humankind. Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter 5, verse 32. Hadith number 128, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Salah, 88. Sahih Muslim, Bir, 65. Abu Musa al-Ash'ari, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "A believer in respect of another believer is like a building whose parts support one another," and he intertwined his fingers. Hadith number 129, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adab, 27. Sahih Muslim, Bir, 66. An-Nu'man ibn Bashir, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The metaphor of the believers in their mutual love, mercy, and affection is that of the body. When one limb of it complains, the rest of the body collapses with sleeplessness and fever." Hadith number 130, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adab, 18. Sahih Muslim, Fada'il, 65. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, kissed Al-Hasan ibn Ali, may Allah be pleased with him, while Al-Aqra ibn Habis was with him. Al-Aqra said, I have 10 children and have never kissed any of them. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, looked at him and said, anyone who does not show mercy will not be shown mercy. Hadith number 131, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adab, 18. Sahih Muslim, Fada'il, 164. Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, said, some of the Bedouins came to the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, and said, do you really kiss your children? He said, yes. They said, but by Allah, we do not. The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, there is nothing I can do if Allah has removed mercy from your hearts. Hadith number 132, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Adab, 18. Sahih Muslim, Fada'il, 66. Jarir ibn Abdullah, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, if someone does not show mercy to people, Allah will not show mercy to him. Hadith number 133, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Ilm 28, Adhan 62. Sahih Muslim, Salah 183. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, when any of you lead other people in prayer, you should make it short, for among you there are weak, sick, and old people. When you pray by yourself, you can make it as long as you wish. One version has, and those who have a need to attend to. Hadith number 134, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Masajid, 262. Jundub ibn Abdullah, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, Anyone who prays the morning prayer is in Allah's keeping. Make sure Allah does not ask you for anything that is in His keeping. When He asks someone for something that is in His keeping, He will get hold of him and then throw him headfirst into hell. Hadith number 135, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Mazalim 3. Sahih Muslim, Bir 58. Ibn Umar, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. He should not wrong him nor surrender him to his enemy. Allah will take care of the needs of anyone who takes care of the needs of his brother. On the day of rising, Allah will dispel the anxiety of anyone who dispels the anxiety of another Muslim. On the day of rising, Allah will veil anyone who veils another Muslim." Now, Hadith number 136, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Bir 18. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. He should not alarm him nor lie to him, nor disappoint him. The honor, property, and blood of every Muslim is unlawful to another Muslim. Great care should be taken on this point, for it is enough evil for a man merely to scorn his Muslim brother." Hadith number 137, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Bir 32. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Do not envy one another, do not bid against one another, bidding in order to raise the price. Do not hate one another, do not turn your backs on one another, and none of you should sell against the sale of anyone else. Be servants of Allah, brothers. A Muslim is the brother of another Muslim. He should not wrong him, nor scorn him, nor disappoint him. Taqwa is here." And he pointed to his breast 3 times. It is enough evil for man to scorn his Muslim brother. The blood, property, and honor of a Muslim is unlawful to another Muslim. Hadith number 138, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Iman 7. Sahih Muslim, Iman 71. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "None of you can truly be said to believe until he wants for his brother what he wants for himself." Hadith number 139, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Mazalim 4. Ikra 6. Anas, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Help your brother, wronging or wronged." A man said, "O Messenger of Allah, I can help him if he is wronged, but tell me how I can help him if he is wronging." He said, "You can restrain him or prevent him from injustice. That is helping him." Hadith number 140, narrated in Sahih Muslim Salam 5. Abu Huraira, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "The rights one Muslim has over another Muslim are 5. Returning the greeting, visiting the sick, joining funeral processions, accepting invitations, and blessing those who sneeze." Sahih al-Bukhari, Janaiz 2. Sahih Muslim, Salam 4. In the variant of Muslim, the Muslim has 6 rights. When you meet him, you should greet him. When he invites you, you should accept his invitation. When he asks you for counsel, you should counsel him. When he sneezes and praises Allah, you should bless him. When he is ill, you should visit him. When he dies, you should follow him. Hadith number 141, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Janaiz 2. Sahih Muslim, Libas 3. Abu Umar al-Bara ibn Azib, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, instructed us to do 7 things and forbade us 7. He instructed us to visit the sick, to join funeral processions, to bless people who sneeze, to fulfill our oaths, to help the wronged, to accept invitations, and to return the greeting. He forbade us gold rings, drinking from silver vessels, red silk, fine silk, mixed silk and cotton, and wearing silk and istibrak silk and brocade.